Hi guys, and welcome to this week's fraction lesson. This week we're going to be doing word problems with fractions of a set. So if you don't remember how to do fractions of a set, you need to go back to my YouTube channel and re-watch the video lesson on fractions of a set. For this lesson, you're going to need something to write on. I have my whiteboard marker, and I have something to erase it with. You can use a pencil and paper if you don't have your whiteboard with you. So let's get into our first question. Aisha has a pack of Smarties. If 1/6 of a pack of Smarties is 12 Smarties, how many Smarties are in the whole pack? So let's look to see what our important information is. So the question is telling us that 1/6 of a pack of Smarties equals 12 Smarties. So I'm going to write that down. So 1/6 equals 12 Smarties. So I know that my fraction of a set is in 6 parts. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw myself 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we know that one of those 6 groups equals 12. So each of these has 12 Smarties inside. And if we look here, this looks just like multiplication using groups. So we can do 12 times 6 to solve this problem. So we have 6 times 2, which is 12. 6 times 1, which is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So the answer is 72. Don't forget to write your sentence for your word problem. So a good sentence for this word problem would be, there are 72 Smarties in a whole pack. Okay, let's erase our board and look at our next problem. So our next one says, Bella and Bona shared a chocolate bar that had been cut into 12 pieces. Bella ate 1/4 of the chocolate bar and Bona ate 2/4. How many pieces did they eat all together? So this is a multi-step one. So first we need to figure out how many pieces they each ate separately. Now you can do this with a picture or you can do this with just calculations. So let's do the calculations first and then I can show you how to do this with a picture. So first we have Bella. And she ate 1/4 of the 12 pieces, and we have Bona that ate 2/4 of the 12 pieces. So using multiplication and then division, we have 12 divided by 4, which is 3, times 1, which is 3. So Bella ate 3 pieces. Then next one we have Bona. We have 12 divided by 4, which is 3, times 2, which is 6. So Bona ate 6 pieces. Now the question is asking how many they ate all together. So we need to add both of these. So we have 6 plus 3 equals 9. So Bona and Bella ate 9 pieces of chocolate all together. Now if you want to solve this with a picture, you can do this. So we have 12 pieces all together, and both of the girls ate them in groups of 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an array with 12 pieces total, but I'm going to be making rows of 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have our 4 groups. We have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, and 4 groups. Bella ate 1 of the 4 groups. So I'm going to color in 1 group for Bella. Bona ate 2 of the 4 groups. So I'm going to color in 2 groups for Bona. And the question is asking how many pieces did they eat all together? Well, if we count, we should get 9 that are colored in. 3, 6, 9. 9 of the 12 pieces. So they ate 9 all together. Okay, let's go to our next one. Okay, and erase our board. So next one here says, Dipanjana and Edward have 56 pencils. 5/8 of them are already sharpened. How many have not been sharpened? So I would like you guys to pause the video here and see if you can solve this on your own first, and then push play again and see if you got the correct answer. Okay. Here we go. So Dipanjana and Edward have 56 pencils. 5/8 of them have already been sharpened. How many have not been sharpened? So let's write down our important information. So 5/8 have been sharpened, okay? So 5/8 of 56 have been sharpened. So let's find out how many of them have actually been sharpened. So we have to do division and then multiplication. So 56 divided by 8 is 7, times 5 is 35. So 35 have been sharpened. The question is asking how many have not been sharpened. So we have to take our total number of pencils, which is 56, and we have to minus it by 35, the number of pencils that have been sharpened. So we have 6 minus 5, which is 1, and then 5 minus 3, which is 2. So the answer is 21. So we'd have to write a sentence. And the sentence could be that 21 pencils have not been sharpened. Give yourself a check mark, and if not, go ahead and make your corrections. So we will go ahead and do one more example. See what our next one says. Okay, our next one reads, Emery has a bag of 18 candies. She gives 1/3 of them to Miles. How many candies does Miles get? So I'd like you to pause the video, and I would like you to try this one on your own. Once you've tried it, push play to see if you get the right answer. Okay, here we go. So Emery has 18 candies and she gives 1/3 to Miles. So we need to figure out what 1/3 of 18 is. So we can go like this, 1/3 of 18 equals. And you can do this with calculations, or you can do this with pictures. So with calculations, all you have to do is division and then multiplication, okay? So we have 18 divided by 3, which is 6, times 1 is also 6. So the answer would be 6. Miles gets 6 candies. Now, another way to do this with pictures is by making an array of a total of 18 with rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have our 3 groups, and Miles gets 1 of the 3 groups. So if you color in 1 of the 3 groups, you should have 6 in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is still 6. Give yourself a check mark if you got that right. Now that's where our lesson is going to stop for today. You can go in to the Chillin' with Chankasing Week 5 document, and I will have posted a bunch of different worksheets that you can work on for practice. And then when you're done that, go into Google Classroom and then complete the fraction word problems Google form. This is pretty tricky, and if you're having problems, please make sure you message me and we can do a one-on-one video chat and I can give you some more support. Good luck!